Hello everyone, and welcome to this year's Seton Hall University Bayley Society annual event. The first time we're doing it virtually, and we're delighted that you'll be able to join us. In part because in the past we've been unable to engage so many of you. And now, tonight, we're happy to be able to include you as part of our program. Let's get to the fun part though. Making some food, some appetizers, so that you can enjoy the rest of the program well fed. Based on the information you received in the email, you've got directions on how to make it, and so you can just follow me as I put the finishing touches on making our first Bayley Bite. We start with some sweet potatoes. Knock off the part that we don't want, and really just cut these into 1/2-inch rounds. We've got the sweet potatoes ready to go. On top of that, we're going to drizzle a little olive oil on them just so that they get a little moist prior to going into the oven. That should work. And then on top of that, add a little bit of salt and pepper. First some salt, then a little bit of pepper. And for those of you that are so inclined, based on the instructions provided, you may even want to add a little bit of cinnamon. Always a nice touch to a fall appetizer. Now we're ready to stick it into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 425. Can't wait until they're ready to eat. While we've been enjoying our Bayley, our sweet potatoes have been cooking in the oven. Now that we've got them out, let's garnish them to add a little even more festivity to this occasion. Mini mozzarella. And then on top of that, we're going to add some nice grape tomatoes. Supplement that with a little bit of torn basil. And the finishing touch will include adding a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And this all looks great. However, not to be outdone, let's try sampling something else as well. We're going to add to the sweet potatoes on this side a little bit of baby arugula. And then on top of that, we're going to add some crumbled blue cheese. Supplement that with a couple of walnuts that you may have found here, hopefully in your kitchen. I'm lucky enough to have them in my kitchen. And we'll supplement that with a little drizzle of honey, and you are ready to go. Now, let's enjoy tonight's program.